Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 8 Science Workshop of Lesson number 3 Force and Pressure. Question 1. Write proper word in the blank space. A. The SI unit of force is Newton. B. The air pressure on our body is equal to atmospheric pressure. C. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquids of different density is different. D. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Question 2. Make a match. A group and B group. A group 1. Fluid, 2. Blunt knife, 3. Sharp needle, 4. Relative density and 5. Hectopascal. B group A. Higher pressure, B. Atmospheric pressure, C. Specific gravity, D. Lower pressure, E. Same pressure in all directions. Now we will match these groups. 1. Fluid, same pressure in all directions. 2. Blunt knife, lower pressure. 3. Sharp needle, higher pressure. 4. Relative density, specific gravity. 5. Hectopascal, atmospheric pressure. Question 3. Answer the following questions in brief. A. A plastic cube is released in water. Will it sink or come to the surface of water? One. An object sinks if the buoyant force is smaller than its weight and floats if the buoyant force is larger than its weight. 2. The buoyant force acting on an object is a large if the density of the liquid it is dipped in is large. 3. Density of plastic is less than that of water. Hence, the buoyant force exerted by water on the plastic cube will be more than the weight of the plastic cube, causing the plastic cube to come to the surface. Hence, a plastic cube released in water will come to the surface of water. B. Why do the load carrying heavy vehicles have large number of wheels? Pressure exerted by a force is inversely proportional to the area on which it acts. Large number of wheels are provided on the load carrying vehicles to avoid large amount of pressure on a single wheel. The pressure gets equally distributed among the wheels and prevents the bursting of tires due to large pressure. C. how much pressure do we carry on our heads? Why don't we feel it? The atmospheric pressure of 10 raised to power 5 Pa is exerted on our body at sea level. The cavities in our body are filled with air, while veins and arteries are filled with blood. The pressure of the body and the other fluids present in our body balances this atmospheric pressure. Hence, we do not feel it. Question 4. Why does it happen? A. A ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. 1. The buoyant force on a body immersed in a liquid is directly proportional to the density of the liquid in which it is immersed. 2. As the density of fresh water is less than that of marine water, the buoyant force acting on the object placed in fresh water is smaller than that acting on the object in marine water. Hence, a ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. B. Fruits can easily be cut with a sharp knife. 1. Pressure exerted by a force is inversely proportional to the area on which it acts. 2. The area of the edge of a sharp knife is small. 3. As a result, small force on the knife produce large pressure at the point of contact, which helps us to the cut desired things easily. 4. If the knife is blunt, then less pressure is exerted at the point of contact due to large surface area in contact. Hence, it is easy to cut vegetables, fruits with a sharp knife. C. The wall of a dam is broad at its base. Pressure increases as the depth of liquid increases. Therefore, pressure is greatest at the base of the dam. To withstand the pressure, the thickness of wall is increased and base is made broad so that area of contact increases and pressure exerted by the water on walls of the dam is minimized. Hence, the wall of a dam is broad at its base. D. If a stationary bus suddenly speeds up, passengers are thrown in the backward direction. A body resists change in its state of rest or of motion due to inertia. When the bus is at rest, the passengers inside the bus are also at rest. As the bus is put in motion, the portion of passenger's body which is in contact with the bus acquires velocity, but the upper part of the body tries to remain at rest. As a result, passengers experience inertia of rest and get a backward jerk when the bus suddenly speeds up. For question 5, 6, 7, 8. The next part of this video, lesson number 3, force and pressure, part 2, will be uploaded soon. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to get notification of new video. And don't forget to comment. Your comment is my inspiration.